Abdullah bin Rabah states, we including Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu went to Hazrat Muawiyah bin Abu Sufyan radiyallahu anhu every day. One of us would prepare food for all other companions. When it was my turn, I said, O Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, today is my turn. All the people came to my house, but the meal was not ready then. I said, O Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, I wish you would narrate any hadith of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam until the food is ready. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu said, on the day of the conquest of Makkah Mukarramah, we were along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam appointing Hazrat Khalid bin Walid on the right flank, Hazrat Zubair radiyallahu anhu on the left flank, and Hazrat Abu Ubaidah on the foot soldiers as commander dispatched them to the interior of the valley. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, O Abu Hurairah, summon on the helpers. I summoned the helpers and they came running. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O the group of helpers, are you witnessing the ruffians of the Quraysh? They submitted, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, see them. Tomorrow when you encounter them, reap them like crops. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam indicated it by placing right hand on the left. Now our meeting place is Safa. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states, whoever was seen by them that day was put to eternal sleep. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam ascended Safa. The helpers came and they surrounded Safa. Then Abu Sufyan came and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the group of the Quraysh has vanished. From now on there will exist no Quraysh. Abu Sufyan says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever enters Abu Sufyan's house will be safe. Whoever surrenders will be safe. Whoever shut the door of his house will be safe. The helpers said, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam has been sought by the love of his kins and country. The revelation descended on Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, have you said that this man has been overpowered by the love of his kins and country? Do you know what my name is? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said thrice, I am Muhammad and Allah's bondsman and his apostle. I have emigrated to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and you. My life is with your life and my death is with your death. The helper submitted, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we said that only because of our love for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam testify to your assertions and accept your excuse. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4600.